Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to get a custom toast for your Android application. As an example, we have the default toast here with a black screen and white text, and then we have the error test, which has a icon as well on the left side of the toast, and as well as we have the info toast and success toast. So this means we have a different color for our different toast and as well as different icons. Let's get started with a new project. So I will start on the new project here and then empty project. You can just provide a name to your project. As an example, I can say C toast or custom toast, and that's actually my project name. Let's wait for our project to be loaded and then we can go on. Once your project is loaded, just go to activity underscore main XML and then you can come to code side. You just need to change the constant layout into linear layout. If you want, you can have a linear layout for this. And after that, you can also, I will need a button here, like example button, and I will give 200 pixel or DP for my for the width of this button, and as well as wrap content for the height. And then I will define an ID. I will call it default underscore post. That's actually the ID for this button. And then I will use the text attribute in order to have a text on it. So I will call it default toast. That's it, guys. And then I can also have layout gravity center, layout gravity center, but I will specify orientation here. Vertical, that's it, guys. So it's center, and then I can have a copy of this one, and then I will put a top margin for this. Top margin should be 50, or let's take 100 dp. That's it, guys. So that's actually my default toast button, and then the copy I just took, I will paste it here, and then I can change the default from default toast to, as an example, for now I will just have the error toast button, right? And then I can also change the text, the error toast. So I have two buttons here for at the moment. One is called default toast, and the second one is called error toast. So now what I will need to do more next, so you need to come to resource and then layout. You will need to specify, I mean, you'll need to make another new layout for your custom toast. So that should be called custom underscore toast underscore layout. That's it, guys. Okay. And then now here again, go to code portion, I mean code view, and then you can change it to relative layout. That's it. And alt control A, select all, and then alt control L to just range your code. And then the height should be wrap content of this layout. And then here you will have a text view. Text view should be wrap content and wrap content. That's it. And then the ID for this one should be ID should be toast underscore text. That's it, guys. Just close the tab. So here's your custom toast text view, and now you can specify text size for your custom toast should be 21 dp. Yeah, that's fine. And then you can also have temporary text on it. So text should be temporary text, you can call it temporary text for now. That should be here, and then you can have one other thing, you can just call it like text line should be center. That's it, guys. And the layout should be center as well. uh, Center and parent or center horizontal should be true. That's it, guys. If you see, it's over here. Now after that, you can also have padding for 10 dp. Yep, that's fine. So 10 dp is your padding. And after that, you will use left drawable left, but for now, like only for a test, I can use the arrow one. I can use the arrow icon for my this test toast. So I will come here, new, and then I can have vector asset. You can type arrow here and choose whatever you want. For example, I will choose this one for arrow, and then okay, and then you can choose the color. The color should be white, and okay, and then you can change it to arrow. That's actually the name of this icon, and then next, and then finish. So now if you see under your undrawable folder, you will see the arrow, which is this one. If you open it, you will get that. So now on my custom post layout, you can have layout like our drawable left or left drawable, right? So you can choose drawable left and then drawable arrow. So now it is here, but I can see it. For that, I will just use a background color, a temporary background color, so that I can see my arrow icon over this text view here. So what I will use, for example, I just use the temporary color here, this one, the red one. If you now see, you will see the this icon over there. Let's zoom it. That's it, guys. So that should be our uh, temporary icon here, but later on you can change according to whatever you want. So now coming to your main activity. In main activity, first of all, down here outside the onCreate, you need to make a function first of all. So the function should be, you can call it private, private void custom toast, right? Or you can call it m custom toast, m custom toast. That's it, guys. Yep, so this function will take three arguments. The first one should be icon. So icon should be int icon. Means like you will need to just pass the ID of an icon from here. And second, it will take string that should be message. And the third one should be color. Now, color is also string, guys. So string color. That's it. So these three variables are passing to this mtoast. Now, what we need to do, we will need to call view. We need to make an object of view class, which is view is equal to get layout inflator dot inflate, and then r dot layout dot your layout, the one we made before, like this one. The name of it is custom underscore toast underscore layout. So I will just pass it here dot this one. I grab that and then null here for now, and that's it, guys. So our view is now ready, and then what you need to do, you need to figure out this text view through this view now. So how you can have text view here, that should be mtv. Yep, mtv is equal to view dot find view by id dot r dot id dot that was two sticks. Yep, so you will need to give this text view id to this mtv, right, guys? And after that, you what you need to do, mtv dot set text should be message. This message, the message we pass through a button, so that should be the text of this text view, right? And after that, what do you need to do? You need to also programmatically set this icon. Now the icon is here, right, guys? So for that, I will use mtv dot set component drawable with mouse, this one. So you need to use this function in order to set programmatically this icon on the left side of this text view. Now here I will have three options. For now, I will just say icon. This means on the left one, if you see, it will ask what drawable do you want to use on left, top, right, and as well as bottom. So I will use only on the left side, and the rest of them are zero. Right, guys? So that's all for now. And then what I need to do, I need to call uh, gradient drawable, which is shape. I would like to change the shape of this toast as well. I want this like having a radius on all four sides, top left, top right, and bottom left and bottom right. For that, what I will need to do, I will use the gradient drawable shape. So that should be new gradient drawable, and then shape dot set color. Now this color should be color dot sorry guys, color dot parse color, and then you will pass this color which is the argument of this function, so called. I just passed this color to this parse color, right? And now what I need to do, tv dot mtv dot set background. So set background should be shape. That's it, guys. And one another thing I would like to have, which is the radius. So before this setting the shape, I will use shape dot set radius, or you can call it set corner radius. That should be 80. That's it, guys. So the background of this text view is already set. Now what I need to do, I need to make a toast here. Is equal to new toast. That's it, guys. Here you need to pass the context of this application, which is this here. And after that, you can call mtoast dot set view should be view. That's it, guys. The view we made before. And after that, you need to make mtoast dot set gravity should be gravity dot center horizontal, and the next should be gravity dot bottom. It should be at the bottom, and then the offset and x offset should be 0, but the y should be 100. After that, what do you need to do? You just need to call mtoast.show, and that's all, guys. That's it, guys. So our function is now completed here. Now what I will need to do, I need to come back to on create method. I just have here two buttons on my main activity. If you come here, at the moment I have two buttons here. So what I will need to do, I will find view by id or dot id dot the first one is default tools dot set on click listener dot set on click listener new view by set on click listener. That's it, guys. So actually this is the default button, so I will use the default tools, and that's it. I can pass a text like this is default tools. That's it. But the second one is the custom one. What I need to do, you can just come here and say like find view by id or dot id dot error toast, which is the error toast dot set on click listener new view by set on click listener. And now here you can just pass, you can call your this toast. As an example, I will just call it m custom toast. Now it will ask me for the icon, which is here. I have error, so I can just pass r.drivable.error. That's it, guys. The second message should be this is error toast. That's the message, and then I can just pass a color here. Now if you are not sure about the color, you just need to come to custom toast or anywhere you want. You just click here, what color do you want to pass when it is an error toast. As an example, I want to pass this color if it is an error. You just need to copy this and come back here to your Java file and pass it here. That's it, guys. Now that is for the error toast. If I wish to have the third button, one another button here, so it's easy, just copy this one and then paste it down here. As an example, I can call it warning toast, and then the text should be warning as well, or whatever you want. Warning toast. That's actually the third button. So what you'll need to do here, you'll need to have a find view by id or dot id dot warning toast dot set or click new view by set or click. Listen. Now, what do you need to do? Mtoast, mcustom toast. First of all, you need to pass the icon. Now, since I don't have an icon here for the warning one, you just need to go to new and then click on the vector asset. Click here and choose an icon for yourself. I mean, for the warning button. So you can say warning. That should be, this one is perfect. Yeah, okay. And then you can have a color as well, or whatever you want. From here, you can choose different color. Sorry, not here, here. You can choose different color, but for me, the white is okay. And then you need to change the name as well, warning, and next and finish. If you see, I have a warning.xml here. You need to pass r.driver.warning. That's it, guys. And then pass the text this is, or you can say warning toast is this, or whatever you want. I just give a text like this. And then what color you want, you can come here, then or here, then you can choose a color for yourself, copy the code and paste in your Java. For the warning one, I want this color. That's okay for me. I will just copy this and come back to main activity, just paste it here. And that's it, guys. Let's run our application. Cool, guys. So our application is run successfully. Now, if you see here default toast, you will have the default toast, arrow toast. If you see here, we have the icon and then the arrow toast, and we have the warning toast. Guys, if you want, you can even change the text color. That's pretty easy now after this. So you can have a tag here like text color should be white. That will actually look really pretty. Now, let's run once more our application. Cool, guys. So now here, if I click here, now warning toast is this, and actually this is error toast, and the last one, I mean the top one is, this is the default toast. Now guys, you can use this custom toast function as much as you want. That depends on you, like what type of toast do you want. You will just need to pass the icon, a message, and the color for your toast, and that's it. So guys, do not forget to subscribe our YouTube, which is Zcode, and let us know if you have any problem in Android application development. Thank you very much for watching.